Today we have to start it MBA first semester management concept and organization behavior. The first topic is management. ये क्वेश्चन आपका 10 नंबर का ज़रूर आता है. So today we have to start it the management. The simple according to simple language, the management is the planning, organizing, staffing and directing. But according to writers, Herman According to Herman, what is the management? Management is the function of getting things done through people and directing the efforts of individual towards a common objective. मैनेजमेंट वो है जिसमें pupils डायरेक्ट करते हैं अपने थिंग्स को एक दूसरे से कन्वर्ट करते हैं. The second is management is the art the getting things done through and with people in formal organization group according to good or done. The next is according to American Management Association. Management is the guiding the human and physical resources into dynamic organization in order to retain their objective satisfaction those served and with a high degree moral sense of attainment on the part of these sense redundancy service. The significance the next topic is nature of management. आप वीडियो को 1.25 या फिर 1.5 की स्पीड पर देख सकते हैं. Characteristic nature of management. The first is what management is a general process. Management is a general process which direct and control the activity of a group of person and not of an individual only. Therefore, the management may be regarded a general activity on an individual activity. मैनेजमेंट सामान्य गतिविधि मैनेजमेंट एक सामान्य प्रक्रिया है. The general process is direct which the pupils is direct and control. So management is a general process. The group of pupils are using individual things. The second topic is management is a social activity. Basically, we have to be using the social activity is another way, but the management is a basically social activity because management is the mainly related with the human activity and not an individual activity. Management is related to human activity. So, management is a social activity. The third is management is a human activity, like planning. For the example of human activity is planning. The group of people to combine like a meeting. We have to discuss their thoughts and their planning. Management itself a human activity which is a continuous process. It is started with the establishment of business undertaking continues till the undertaking continues. Management is required to every stage of the business activity. The management is a human activity just like a planning. The next is management is a professions. Today, today many people have to be to discuss about their thoughts, their ideas and their stuffing, directing and controlling. The managerial processes. Today, today with the development of the trade industry, the term management has all the characteristics of the professions, its own principles, policy and rules. So today management is a profession. The next is management is required at all level. मैनेजमेंट हर स्तर पर आवश्यक है. मैनेजमेंट इज नॉट अ स्पेसिफिक फंक्शन required at all specific tasks. It is a continuous process which goes from from the establishment of all the organization till the accomplishment of the goal of enterprise. Management is required at all level. ये हर स्तर पर मान्य है. The sixth is management is a universal. The business today has become more and more accomplishment, and with the development of business, the scope of management has also increased considerably. Considerably. Now the management is a universal phenomenon. Management is everywhere. So the writer says that management is a universal. Significance need of management. लेबर प्रॉब्लम. मैनेजमेंट की ज़रूरत क्यों हुई? कहाँ से आया? सो labor problem. India is facing labor problem many times and more than other countries. The Indian laborers is a passing through a stage of dissatisfaction, and the dissatisfaction of labor become more because of the industry backyardness. So लेबर प्रॉब्लम इंडिया में बहुत देखी जाती है, इसलिए मैनेजमेंट का होना बहुत ज़रूरी था. Scientific and technical advancement. The pace of scientific technical development in the India is very slow. We still use outdated technology, and because of this reason, business and industry cannot prosper. Adoption of scientific technical development required all the efficiency management. So, साइंटिफिक एंड टेक्निकल एडवांसमेंट. वैज्ञानिक और तकनीकी उन्नति के लिए भी मैनेजमेंट का होना बहुत ज़रूरी था. प्लान इकोनॉमी की. अर्थव्यवस्था को संभालने के लिए, उसको प्लान करने के लिए मैनेजमेंट का होना ज़रूरी था. इंडिया इज़ अ मार्जिन ऑन द पाथ इन द सेल्फ डिफेंस. इंडिया खुद पर निर्भर रहने वाला देश है. Through the rapid industrialization of the country, Government of India has adopted the policy and the plain economic 5-year plan are being implemented in the India. The success of these plans depend to a large extent on the efficiency of management. इसलिए अर्थव्यवस्था को प्लान करने के लिए मैनेजमेंट को होना ज़रूरी था. The fourth and the last is low productivity. The productivity of India the productivity of India is very low when it is compared with the productivity of the industry and development countries. Possibly the basic reason for the low productivity is mismanagement the resources of production. Therefore, the better management of the resources production is necessary to increase the productivity. जैसे कि इसमें दिखाया गया है, लो प्रोडक्टिविटी इंडिया इज़ वेरी लो. सो यहाँ पे भी हमें मैनेजमेंट की ज़रूरत पड़ी. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe the video.